hard to believe this is Calgary in mid-February. For weeks, winter barely showed up. It felt more like early spring, maybe even summer at times. But on the 9th of February 16th, everything changed. From my condo balcony, I watched the first flake fall. Slowly at first, almost peaceful, the city light reflected off the snow, and within minutes, rooftops, cars, and sidewalks began turning white. No warning, no gradual transition, just winter reclaiming its space. I couldn't just watch from the above. I had to go down. The air was cold but calm. Snowflakes drifted steadily under the streetlight. The silence was powerful. That deep winter quiet that only heavy snowfall can create. Every step crunched beneath my boots. By the time I headed back home, the streets were already changing fast. At 6 a.m. in the morning, Calgary looked completely different. What had started as a gentle snowfall was now a full winter scene. Roads were covered, cars were buried, the city moved slower, cautious and alert. Driving through the neighborhood felt like navigating a new world. The storm had rewritten the landscape overnight. After packing up at work, I drove around to see how the city was holding up. Snow plows were out, tire tracks carved temporary paths. People were adjusting, shoveling driveways, clearing windshields, helping each other. It was no longer just snowfall, it was a shared experience. On Wednesday, I visited a shopping mall. Inside, everything felt normal, warm, bright, and calm. But outside, winter was in full control. The contrast was sure real, a reminder of how quickly nature can shift the atmosphere of an entire city. As the evening approached, I returned near my apartment and I launched my drone. From the above, Calgary looked breathtaking. Endless white rooftops, snow-covered roads, trees coated in frost. The same city that barely saw winter this season was now transformed into a frozen canvas. And just like that, winter made its statement. After a season that felt almost too warm, this storm reminded us where we live. This is Calgary, and winter always finds its way back. My name remains Chris. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber that is based in Canada, and in my channel I often make vlogs about life in Canada, location vlogs, travel vlogs. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please endeavor to subscribe to my channel, and as you do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I make good videos and subsequent videos, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Also share to your friends, comment in the comment section, and engage with this video. Support me, guys. Thank you. See you in my next episode. Bye bye.